G'day guys, my name's Chris, aka I Taz, and I just want to talk about why, after 5 years of ownership, I still absolutely love my Royal Enfield Classic 500. First off, looks, it is an absolutely beautiful bike. This is chrome gunmetal with gold pinstripe, and I've done a few modifications to it to help it look a little bit more error correct. It is an absolutely gorgeous motorcycle. Opinion, it's not just a retro. This bike really does hark back to what the bikes were like in the 50s and 60s. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Basically just all you need to ride down the road. If you ask a child, draw a picture of a motorcycle is basically what they would draw, and that is amazing. No traction control, no rider aids, just you in the wind enjoying the ride. The second thing is the handling. It's basically a standard bike. So your knees are flat, your back is pretty upright. It is just a very comfortable machine. It's a perfect height for someone my size. I'm 165, 166 centimetres tall, and I do not find it too tall at all. It's quite heavy. I don't find it particularly tippy because it's got a relatively low centre of gravity, and once you've got it moving, it handles surprisingly well, and it also handles surprisingly well off-road. Again, obviously because of the weight distribution and its relatively low centre of gravity. And that probably also harks back to why these bikes are just so popular in other countries where the quality of the roads are just not what we are used to. Places like Australia, the UK, or the US. So this bike is more than capable of handling gravel roads, off-road, right through, to my opinion, freeway. By any stretch of the imagination. I've done a little bit of work to this, and it handles well, it goes well, it'll cruise on 120 quite nicely, but its top speed's still only about 136, something like that. It is perfect, just bubbling along these back roads, enjoying the scenery. It really does teach you the art of riding slowly. And I think that's something that we could all learn. Gotten very used to the idea that motorcycles are 1700cc and you need 1700cc to ride across the country, and that plain and simply is not true. You can ride or tour on whatever you like, and to a degree through, you're probably going to enjoy it more on this bike, because it's probably going to end up getting you off the freeway or the highway and onto the back roads, and that's, in my opinion, where the joy of riding on a motorcycle is. Riding on roads like this, very little traffic, not fast, but at an enjoyable pace. They always say it's more fun to ride a slow bike fast than a fast bike slow. And again, this bike is absolutely in that vein. I love the simplicity of them. They're not complicated bikes by any stretch. 500cc single construction. Yes, they vibrate at mine. It's quite a smooth engine. I decided to do a hard running and I put the 92s on. Vibration reduction plate, and to be honest, I with how this bike goes, it's always going to have some vibration. But because of the hard mounted foot legs, 500cc, it's not going to be as smooth as a modern bike, but to be honest, or is it trying to be? I love the community that surrounds Royal Enfield, and I love the community's response to my Classic 500. You pretty much have to give yourself 20 minutes extra when you fill up fuel, just because of people wanting to talk to you about their experience with Royal Enfield, or you get little old ladies approach you and they'll tell you about their husband and how they rode a Royal Enfield or an HAS or a Triumph back in the 50s and 60s when they met, and you just get awesome stories and you just get awesome reaction that you don't get when you ride like these other types of bikes. I love the fact that it's not an all blacked out intimidating motorcycle like a Harley Davidson. It just seems to be a bike that encourages people to interact with you. More to stop. Friendly bloke. Cheers, mate. Have transcended one culture. They were born in the UK, adopted by India, and then they've gone international from there. Royal Enfield are some of the highest selling bikes around the world at this point in time. Absolutely, I can see why. I love the fact that it's customised. You can make this bike 100% yours. And the factory's done a pretty good job of segmenting the Classic 500. Well, the 500 into a Bullet, a Classic, and then the more cruiser styles, to just try and grab a slice of that market. I suppose I love how forward thinking a company like Royal Enfield is, and they produce a pretty quality machine. standard of a Japanese motorcycle. But it's also not a rusty piece, it just falls apart as long as you do a bit of preventative maintenance. So all in, Classic 500 is a beautiful machine that I fancy I'll be riding for many, many years to come. Guys, on that note, I will leave you be. My name's Alright Daz. Like, comment, subscribe. Till I see you next time, guys. I am off to ride this motorcycle on some of these amazing back roads.